Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to open a canned good without a can opener if you can't find it or it has become defective. I'll just take the dirt out. I'll be using a knife. The way to punch it is to press it here so that the can won't tip over, and then punch it downward using your hand. Okay, and then let's put some pressure like this. This is during situations where you cannot find your can opener or it's no longer working. There would be instances where it becomes hard, but just take your time.
Ayan na pala eh. Nahanap ko yan. Dali naman.
Let's find another slot. Okay, let's just continue. Okay, so that's how you open a canned good using a knife if you can't find your can opener or it has become defective. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.